Hey, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Crypto Pearl, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, BONK Coin and Crypto Pearl is your go-to channel for the latest insights, updates, and trends in the crypto space. From hot coins like BONK to hidden gems in the crypto world, we bring you everything you need to navigate this exciting market. Stay tuned for news, reviews, and analysis that'll help you make informed decisions in your crypto journey. Subscribe now, and let's unlock the potential of the digital future together. Analysis of the performance of the BONK coin yesterday and the impact of burning operations on its future. BONK, a dog-inspired cryptocurrency that runs on the Solana network, saw a remarkable performance yesterday, February 20th, 2025. BONK opened trading at $0.00001648, with a daily high of $0.001666 and a low of $0.00001562. The coin saw a slight change of 0.04106% compared to its previous close. Since its launch, BONK has implemented several token burns to reduce its supply and increase scarcity, which may positively affect its future value. In July 2024, the BONK team burned 84 billion tokens from the coin's vault, followed by another significant burn in December 2024. During the BONK initiative, 1.69 trillion tokens worth around $52 million were burned, representing about 1.8% of the total supply of 92.7 trillion tokens. The value of BONK is impacted by a variety of factors, including these burns, which help reduce supply and boost scarcity, as well as general market trends and community engagement. Projections indicate that the price of BONK could rise by 2025, driven by continued burns and positive market developments. However, potential volatility remains a consideration, so investors should conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Token unlock details. Last updated, February 22nd, 2025, 7:24 and 56 seconds p.m. Token allocation breakdown. Early contributor, 20%. Initial liquidity, 5%. Solana developers, 5%. Initial marketing, 5%. Team allocation, burnt 5%. Solana artists and collectors, 10%. BONK all, 15%. Solana market participants and DeFi users, 15%. Solana NFT projects, 20%. Unlock status. Unlocked. 94.32 T BONK, 94.32%. Locked, 5.68 T BONK, 5.68%. Untracked, 0.00 BONK. Unlock schedule. Early contributor. Initial liquidity. Solana developers. Initial marketing. Team allocation, burnt. Solana artists and collectors. BONK all. Solana market participants and developers. Solana NFT projects. Unlock events, small unlocks. Past unlocks. February 22nd, 2025. Total unlocked. 18.25 B BONK, $290,143.91. Percent of max supply, 0.02%. Allocations, 1. February 21st, 2025. Total unlocked. 18.25 B BONK, $290,143.91. Percent of max supply, 0.02%. Allocations, 1. February 20th, 2025. Total unlocked. 18.25 B BONK, $290,143.91. Percent of max supply, 0.02%. Allocations, 1. Upcoming unlocks. February 23rd, 2025. Total unlocked. 18.25 B BONK value. $290,143.91. Percent max supply, 0.02%. Allocations, 1 allocation. February 24th, 2025. Total unlocked. 18.25 B BONK value. $290,143.91. Percent max supply, 0.02%. Allocations, 1 allocation. February 25th, 2025. Total unlocked. 18.25 B BONK value. $290,143.91. Percent max supply, 0.02%. Allocations, 1 allocation. That's awesome. BONK has definitely made some waves lately, especially with the crazy performance on SLGG. A 22x gain is no small feat. Are you holding long-term or taking profits along the way? It seems like BONK has been on a tear. Breaking down BONK coin. Can it really hit $1? BONK coin, a Solana-based meme coin, launched with a lot of hype and gained popularity quickly. Its developers aim to create a community-driven token that rewards users and adds some fun to the crypto market. With a growing trading volume and increased speculation, BONK coin is making waves. Market capitalization and the $1 challenge. For BONK coin to hit $1, it would need an astronomical market cap. Even Dogecoin, at its peak, struggled to reach this level despite massive mainstream adoption and support from influencers like Elon Musk. The crypto market has seen incredible surges before, but BONK reaching this price level would take unprecedented growth. The problem with traditional meme coins: hype versus real utility. Meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu started as jokes, but eventually found real use cases, from payments to staking. However, most meme coins, including BONK, face the same problem: hype without long-term utility. Pump and dump cycles in the meme coin market. Many meme coins follow a predictable pattern: a viral launch, a surge in price, and then a steep decline when the hype fades. Without utility, meme coins often become short-term bets rather than long-term investments. This is where Dogs AI stands out. While BONK coin and other meme coins rely mostly on speculation, Dogs AI combines the fun of meme coins with actual profitability, offering staking rewards that provide real value to investors. Why Dogs AI is the future of meme coins. Unlike traditional meme coins that thrive on hype alone, Dogs AI brings something new to the table: profitability through AI-powered trading. While BONK coin might pump and dump, Dogs AI is designed for long-term gains. Staking, earning passive income while holding. While BONK coin is purely speculative, Dogs AI offers staking rewards with competitive APY. Unlike meme coins that require price spikes to be profitable, Dogs AI secures steady returns through staking. Presale strength, raising millions and gaining momentum. The Dogs AI presale has already raised over $1.7 million, with the next goal set at $2.1 million. This kind of early success is a strong indicator of future growth. With 30% of the total supply allocated to presale, early investors are positioned for significant gains. Compared to BONK coin, which relies on community-driven speculation, Dogs AI has structured tokenomics that drive sustainable growth. Tokenomics. Why Dogs AI is built for growth. Strong tokenomics play a vital role in a cryptocurrency's long-term success. Dogs AI has an 8.888 billion token supply, strategically assigned to secure stability and growth. A sustainable model. 30% to presale, fuels early adoption and market expansion. 20% for staking, rewards long-term holders with passive income. 10% for liquidity, prevents excessive price volatility. The BONK price prediction depends heavily on speculation, whereas Dogs AI is designed for long-term sustainability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on your problem in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.